That said, the overall structure for the market, of course, is headed in for a weak start. And, the private banking names, the large cap financials, they weighing heavy on the index, of course, is a cause of concern. Other than that, of course, the incessant FI selling, which we continue to see on a daily basis. 0.7% lower for the Nifty, 23,450 on the index to start off trade with. And once again, it's the Nifty Bank, which is underperforming both the benchmark indexes. So let's check in on first those private banking names. Kotak, ICICI Bank, Axis, HDFC Bank. What are they up to, given that they've been wearing or bearing extremely heavy on the indexes of late? And once again, that entire pack is a sea of red. What about Bajaj Finance, given that that's also been cracking off late, and yesterday too it fell by about almost 3%, in fact, if not more. And testing it out right now, flat for Bajaj Finance as we speak. Autos then, M&M, Eicher, Maruti, Tata Motors PV, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, Hero MotoCorp, all of them still very much in the red, and you are seeing cuts of 2 to about 1% apiece pretty much across the board. What about the trends from yesterday? Coal India, NTPC, Geofinance, Adani Enterprises, Reliance, Power Grid. Some of these names held out, and today too, at least you are seeing some continuation of green on Coal India, which is still holding out. Not quite the other names. RL just about marginally higher, flat in fact. And then, of course, look out for a Power Grid, NTPC as well, SRF, BHEL, Tata Power. Some of these names were buoyant in trade yesterday, along with JSW Energy, which perked up about 6.5% in trade. Pharma really seems to be that one sort of defying the trend kind of index, because I think that is the one which is somewhat holding out in the green. Cipla is flat right now, so just relative resilience, if at all, for the Nifty Pharma Index, which will just come for you on your screens next.
Right, a couple of buzzers, especially within broader markets on the back of news. You can see Balaji Mines taking a knock of 4%. I wonder what some of the other counters within the fertilizer pack are doing. National Fertilizers, RCF. Let's also pull up a UPL, which kind of gives us a signal as to how that entire pack is playing out. So RCF flat, of course. UPL also largely flat, 0.5% lower on UPL as well. So that's that. DCM Sridham also down 1.5% odd in trade. Kalpataru is perked up in trade after they won a mandate for a new project, and that stock is up 8% in trade on a day like this. So very solid gains being clocked in by Kalpataru. I'm curious to know what the advanced decline looks like, and it's really 1:3. So the pain is pronounced, especially in the broader end of the market. You're seeing 1% lower on the Nifty small cap, 0.2% lower on the Nifty mid cap, the Nifty bank not supporting, and even sectorally, we're not seeing the best construct. Some of the larger or the more weighty sectors, if I can call it that, are really underperforming. The Nifty IT index is down 1.3, the Nifty auto is down another percent, the Nifty bank is down 1%, and again, it's the private sector banks, I would reckon, which is causing that pain. The PSU banking index also is down nearly 1%, so largely in line, frankly, between PSU and private there on your screen. 1% lower on both. It's only the Nifty energy and the oil and gas index which is really holding up in trade. Kunal, your first take.